Today for the show, we dey discuss now market report today for the show, right? Today we want to talk about report don't reach me say some supermarket not they put price tag for their items. Some say one say they not they put price tags for their items. Some say two that they put he say but e no dey correspond. By the time you don reach the pay point, they go tell you say no. So for example, if you look and say this perfume, they put the perfume on top of the price tag when they put for under na 15. You can pick perfume, pick other things. So for your mind now, you don't calculate everything. But when you don't reach the pay point, they'll say no, this perfume is not 15, it's 25. But you can say, but there. For chef, when I say na 15, they'll say sorry, say na the wrong place today. Is it true? So we want to report the matter and we discuss why it be like that. Say most supermarket one, not they put price tags for their items, or even if they put some self that they put the wrong price tag. You call pick finish. When you don't go reach pay point, you'll be disappointed. To the essence say you call reduce the all the items when you carry. Why? Because the money now not call, in fact it can't pass what you plan for. Meanwhile, you work with the price tag when they the chef. Now you work with. Call me for 0700 951 951 951. Hello, the phone line. Talk to us.
Ogara, good afternoon.
Yes, so morning to you. Your name and where you call us from?
My name is Nkechi Police from Ota.
Okay, let's go.
I don't go to those supermarket the day before yesterday.
Okay.
I don't chapter the things so I don't buy finish. As I reach counter, so to I see 60 naira, they say na 100 naira. Many things like that can't change. But because I hold enough, I have to buy it, and because of now waiting I need. Wow. I can't ask the girl say most of the price where they there. Say now for computer the thing will bring the real price, but for there the thing no be all the thing be the real price.
Are you serious?
What I say is embarrassing. Internet so their supermarket they are just good.
Are you serious?
Yes. And wait this Alakuko side.
And they not even change them, but you don't know whether they don't go, correct or not, abi?
I don't know, but the girl just let me know. And even the tomato I see there, they write on 150. She ended up collecting 250 for the tomato. So
wow.
I just see saying so the thing it's small money they add.
Yes.
So 18,000 what I carry go, I paid like 23,000 because of the extra price.
Are you serious? 18,000 you can pay 23,000 plus. Wonderful.
Yes, because of my market list.
Yes.
There is 18,000 plus.
Yes.
So at the end I paid 23,000 plus.
Wonderful. All right, thank you, my darling. Sorry for that, Okay.
Yeah.
All right, tomorrow go this short break with the comeback. Report the matter. And they tell you we dey here scatter on top marketrunz. Today we dey talk about the market report. The report issue when you visit some supermarkets. Not in fact the price when they for the chef or for the counter is different when you don't reach the pay point. They're supposed to do, and somebody all the way from the US, he said, Ratata, this is the reason why correct stocking with the scanner is important, because it is not the customer's fault. Yes, it may be displayed if it is only one, but once it's more than one, is the worker's fault. At this point, it should be override by customer service lead and given to the customer. Are you serious? This is part of my job here. Wow, all the way from US. Hello, the phone line, talk to us.
Hello, Ratata.
Yes,
good morning, sir.
Morning. Who be this,
This is Lydia calling from Ada Road.
Yeah, let's go, Lydia.
I went to pay less, so I wanted to buy soap. I wanted to buy soap and cream. I owed 1,000, so I went the cream. Then I took it to where they are scanning. They now scan it and say it's 180. So they were now turning me around. They said no, this cream cannot be 180. That in fact they are not selling again. I was like, and I already planned my 1,000.
Yes.
I want to buy cream and soap for the 1,000.
Yeah.
They said they are not selling. The thing just best me. I waka come out there.
Yeah.
You pay me well.
You see, sorry, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry, my darling. Yeah. All right, so somebody say, Ratata, for America, if something na $20. And they mistakenly put them for where clearance sale of $5 a day. He said that $5 now the customer go pay.
Yeah.
You know they see Oyibo. I don't know why our own they different. I want the difference. Somebody say, well done for your good work. This matter take my mind back to wetin you talk this morning, saying corruption they start from down to the top. Exactly. Yes, now. He said, now we be the problem of this country, Nigeria, corruption and cheating everywhere. Exactly, ladies and gentlemen. Exactly. Now we they cheat ourselves. Now when you go buy many things for the trolley, Abi, you don't feel verify.
You know go feel they check how many can of this, how many can of that, how much.
And they shit you. So they shit you put for the matter. So and some people could say, now poor man they price, now poor man they shake. Make it be they shake more because all those 1 naira, 10 naira, 200 naira when they collect from you.
Get from 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. Now 100,000.
Okay, I beg go. Hello, the phone line. Hello.
Hello, Ratata.
Yes, sir. Talk to us. You get 30 seconds, sir. Morning, sir.
I'm operating a mini supermarket.
People like you now with the fire down.
And I don't put price tag.
How you dey do am?
I have the price on my head. So if I want to cheat person, I know what to do. If I don't want to cheat person, I know what to do.
Wow.
So that's how I operate my own.
Wait, so how do you mean say if you want cheat person, you know what to do? Explain.
If I put price tag on it, the customer will know the normal price. So, and now that I didn't put price tag, like everyone now, say never one for 1.5. So if I want to cheat person, because I did not put normal price, I can tell the person that the price is 2,000.
Okay.
So the same thing is applicable to other market that is there.
But why una they cheat people like that? Why?
What is it?
I say why una they cheat people like that? Why now?
I know call Lagos come bridge now.
Well, Mlele, you see the one I want to talk say now we be our problem. So you even know say una they cheat people. Your village is far apart my village abi. So now come make you they shit other people abi, oga?
I don't come play here.
Are you serious? Wonderful.
No,
so that is why you are cheating people because you know call Lagos come bridge.
But you know say they get something like nemesis where they say nemesis abi. Because not be only your store, your family, everybody they go other places go buy too.
Nemesis go catch everybody. Nemesis na everybody.
Nemesis na everybody abi.
You go if now say you go catch everybody. Say na you buy am for me.
Okay.
Now so my money I take buy am now. If you like, you buy. If you no like, you leave am. If I want to sell normal price, I will call you back. Okay, come and take it like this.
Okay, Bob. So because it's not your money, so you get the right to cheat person.
To sell it any amount.
Anyhow, are you serious?
Yes.
Wonderful. So now, una they do abi?
Yes.
Wonderful.
I do.
Now so you they do you. And when you they cheat person, so you not get problem. You think not they bother you?
No. Because the same thing is applicable to other people. If you go and they will still cheat you. Yeah, the only thing that is just cheat with conscience. You understand?
But you get the conscience. You get conscience, so you.
Is there some people are really conscious on? Is there some people are not conscious on? Some people deserve to be cheated.
Okay, how? Which kind of people be that one? Describe them.
Thank you for this question. There is a big man that will enter your shop. Now you beg the big man or you will see the big man. To give somebody that is begging something on main road, they will not do that.
Yeah.
They cannot buy water or buy bottled water and leave the change for the customer on the main road.
Okay.
But when they enter shop,
they
will like to spend more money. They will not price. So if you see that kind of person,
you go cheat them.
Why not go?
Wonderful.
I go cheat them.
Wow, wonderful. So which day you cheat person last?
I do on the job like this. I cheat yesterday.
Yesterday. Wow.
Yes.
You cheat person yesterday.
Thank you, because I don't collect am.
Okay, what you wait to that customer, you go cheat am?
No, this person is my person.
Okay, this one not be the kind of person when you go cheat.
No, it's my person.
Okay, it's your own person, so you not go cheat am.
I'm telling you.
Worry, una that year on Lagos, so a fellow okay, man. This country, hey, we don't die finish.